Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on, this will be day 3, if you're keeping track of the seat pan. But it's not been full days, it's been bits and pieces, and
I would like to clarify something, all right? Unless you're a professional that does this all the time, which I'm not. Actually, I've never built a motorcycle seat pan before, to believe that, if you will. The seat that's on my chopper, I bought it that way. So this takes time. Building these things take time. It took me a year to build my chopper. I'm not doing it full time. I'm not a professional. If you're going to build a project, keep in mind that it's not going to happen in 3 weeks. They're fun. They're awesome. I encourage everybody to go build something. It's using your own creative genius is something that it just feels different to do it. But it's not going to be a quick progress. So if you go into it thinking, oh, in a month we'll knock out a motorcycle, you're going to be disappointed.
very much so. I mean, you see us in here, Ben and me and Kegan, working on this, and what you don't see is a lot of me studying on eBay and Amazon and forum pages, trying to figure out what to buy and how to buy it and what the right parts are. I figured it took me a long time, and I had to email Revival Cycles, which they're awesome, by the way. If you need motorcycle parts for old vintage motorcycles, check out revivalcycles.com. The guys got back with me. They seem like a great operation. But yeah, it takes time. So here we are, day 3 of the seat pan, and we're going to try to get at least some of it done tonight. Not guaranteeing it'll get there. But what you missed, my wife, my beautiful wife, just left here, and that line right there is where her butt comes to when she's sitting on the bike with me. So we got to get the seat pan back to there, and there's going to be a little bitty fender showing, about that much.
Well, we'll bring the seat pan back to here.
Okay, so about that much seat pan or fender. But that's what we're doing. We're going to work on it some more and see how it goes. I'm going to continue on with the battery box, get me a flapper wheel out, clean up this frame, get ready for welding down there. Yeah, rock on. Movie Magic. This is kind of an update of where we're at and where we've been. I've been exploring battery boxes a little bit. I think I'd come up with a good plan. I don't know. But this is currently where the seat pan is at.
I keep measuring, my hood keeps falling down. I'm trying to get it where I want it.
It is tacked in place briefly. There's the little tacks. Been beating on the anvil with it, shaping it up, getting it where we want to go.
And
not.
Yes, I'm aware that it is currently ugly.
Yeah, it's not satisfied yet, that's for sure, but just a small update.
Instead of cutting this, you're just going to lip it down?
I kind of think so.
All right. That's pretty much all I was asking, especially for up here, where this is going to be a seat, so that way whenever it stretches over.
Yeah, I don't know. This could turn out being total garbage. Sorry, Adam.
It is what it is.
Well, I mean, if you take it to him and he says, this is the worst seat pan I've ever seen, at least you can go, hey, at least you know what it is.
I still,
recognize the seat pan.
yeah, it is a seat pan. I still want cushions on it with some kind of padding. Good luck, bro. See you later. Come back, pick it up when it's done. Just give me a call.
Hey, that bike's moving.
Oh, I got a hold of it here. I do need to probably jack it up, though. Fun fact, we took the blocks out from under it and put just on the jack stand, and the jack stand is just barely now high enough. Yeah. Like, it's still riding on the jack. So, this baby's sitting low. Low rider. There, I stapled it up for you. You've got it up here, man.
I was gonna give him another minute.
Yeah, he's fine. I took this fan shroud out. I took the brackets out of the fan shroud because I'm trying to keep that open look.
Yeah.
And so I gotta probably cut those off because that's where the fan shroud fit on it. That little lip.
Yeah.
So that's kind of how it's gonna ride, I believe.
So
That, which is a good question. I need a bottle. You got any fancy glass bottles you're willing to get rid of? Ski or I don't want to use Aiden. No, I don't want to use Jaeger. Everybody uses Jaeger. Jack Daniels is cool, but everybody does that too. I want something different. I don't have any good ideas yet, but I need
decided to put these both in here that are a mile long.
I believe that would be you. But I would like to get me a bottle because the dummy tank had a reservoir inside of it. So now I got to put another reservoir, and I don't need much. Pint jar, 12-ounce glass. Oh, I guess you want to use glass. Use a really thick plastic, maybe.
if you want to use glass and you want a bottle, I've got a Jameson bottle, a cask mate. It's dark, but it's green.
Jameson's green is.
Yeah, but you got the Jameson handle on your chopper.
So,
I know.
riding down the road, people will say, "Hey, these two bikes go together." Or not.
Food for thought. I don't really have any good information on it yet. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of day 3 on the seat pan. When you only have an hour or two a night, in this case we've been here about 3.
And it's the first seat pan I've ever made.
Yeah, this is the first seat pan. If you didn't catch on, he bought his seat pan and put it on springs on his chopper. He did not make it, which isn't a big deal, but this is a first experience for us. That is currently what we're dealing with.
And what we're doing here is I want to mount this back here now that I've kind of got it somewhat shaped. And I'm going to trace along this right here and kind of tuck in. So this will all kind of tuck in here. And it's going to stay pretty well flat like this. And what we're kind of thinking is have the upholstery guy, when he does it, build foam up here to kind of match this look here and then come back to where it kind of creates a gunfighter seat kind of for Adam on this bike. So this will not necessarily be pretty, but a smart man once told me, and if he's watching this video, he'll know exactly who he is. It's not what you can do, it's what you can hide.
It's what you can hide. I know who that was. Well, that's it for the day. We've got a mess. We got hammers and boards and milk crates and welders, and we've got all kinds of junk out.
I even had to pull a car in here and check the rear brakes on it tonight. So.
Oh yeah, and if you guys watched the last video of the bike, you saw me fight with, we got into it.
It's Adam's arch nemesis.
Yeah, the got into a fist fight, me and this stupid bandsaw. Well, tonight, the bandsaw won. But I fixed it. AKA, it got a new blade. So, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.
I'll give you a quick sneak peek. I may have dropped some money on some serious parts for the truck today.
May have.
So, may have. So
information to come at a following date. See you guys.